Now we have to work with Service Bus and we actually have to post some message. So for that we will switch back to our Azure and we will be creating a new resource. Here we will search for Service Bus. We will hit the create button and then we'll have to do quite a few configuration. The resource group, let me select as microservice. Next we want the namespace. I will call this Mango Restaurant. You cannot add any spaces here, so make sure you use a valid name. This will be the actual URL for your service bus. You can see it's mangorestaurant.servicebus.windows.net. We can also take a quick peek at the pricing tier. We will not go with the basic version here because if you see, the basic version only supports queue. We want to learn about topics. So because of that, you will have to take the standard version. This $10 is for millions of operations per month. You can see it's 12.5 in this case. That is way too much in order to learn the course, but we'll go with that version so that we can understand topics. We will select that and we will hit the next button. You can give it tags if you want. We will just go to review and create, and we will create once everything is validated. So validation is successful. Let's create. It takes a while to deploy, so let's wait for that. Perfect, our deployment is complete. Now we will go to the resource and the first thing that we have to do is we need to create topics. If you selected the basic version, you will not see topic right here, so make sure you change that to standard version. Only then topics will be available. So you can see the pricing tier is standard. If that's not the case, then you need to modify that. If that is not the case, then you can either modify or delete this and start again. After that, we will go on topics here and we will create our first topic. I will call this checkout message topic. We don't care about the max topic size because our objects will be really small. We can keep that alive for 14 days and you can configure few options. We will go with everything basic and we'll create the first topic. Great, our topic is created. Now here what will happen is from our web application we will be posting some data inside this topic. As soon as that data gets in the topic, we need to create some of the subscribers. Subscribers basically means that if there is some data available inside the topic, then they will get notified that hey, there's a new message and you can process that. So if you click on this, we have to create subscription there. So in there, you have the plus symbol to create subscription. I will call this as Mango Order Subscription. Maximum delivery count, we'll just set that to 1. Next, we have few properties like do we want to auto delete if the message is staying inside for a long time and so on. We will leave those to default right now and we will create our first subscription. Perfect. So with this, we have created our Azure Service Bus. In there, we have added a topic and a subscription. Let's continue in the next video.